Hi, this is Valerie with At My Home, and today we're going to take a look at the Vivoo strips. This is one of our favorite things from CES, and Vivoo provided these for our review. If you've ever gone to the doctor, you've probably had a urine test, but there's a lot of really neat things that you can track at home without having to go to the doctor. So what Vivoo did is that they created these strips, and they come in this nice little package, and you can buy these strips individually or you can get a subscription. So you can have as many strips as you want and test as often as you want. So this is the strip itself. Now I'm not going to open this one up, but this is what it looks like. It's got a bunch of little squares on there, so you can see those are the things that it's going to test for. And when you're ready to go, you download the Vivoo app and you tap the test icon on your phone, and then you pee on the strip, and then you wait 2 minutes, and the app totally walks you through this. It even has a little button you can start the timer. And then you match it up with your phone, you take a picture of it with your camera, and then it gives you a lot of information about your body. So it can track things like pH or kidney and liver function, or it can tell you what your ketone levels are. So if you're on the keto diet, you know if it's actually working or not. What's nice is that you use the app, and not only do you get to track all of this, it gives you advice to improve your wellness, recipes or other information to really help you become more healthy. Thank you.